Hello there, my name is Jamie. I'm a Customer Success Manager for Onboarding here at Sprout Social. In this video, we will take a look at the differences between groups, roles, and teams. You will come across these features when you're setting up your Sprout account. So let's dive in. All of these are found in your settings, which you can find in the menu, in your initials in the lower left corner of your screen. On this page, let's click Groups and Social Profiles and let's explore Group. Groups are collections of your social profiles connected to Sprout. Setting up groups is creating a separate working environment, which is why it is extremely useful for large organizations with different departments working together in Sprout, or for agency customers who handle multiple clients. This ensures that your users are only working on the profiles that they have access to. Or as an agency, you can focus on one brand at a time. If you have the necessary group permissions, you can easily switch between groups by clicking the folder icon on the upper left. Let's click this again to hide those groups. Now let's click on the next page, Roles and Team Members. The first section that you will see would be the teams, and this allows you to create and manage a group of your users for more efficient collaboration. Think about your content creators, your approvers, your customer support team, or those from your critical support if you have one. You can group your users together in one team for an easier collaboration within Sprout. As an example, I have here a critical support team for me and my colleagues. With teams, it's easier to mention multiple users who belong to the same group in the team conversations. For example, you want to flag a message to your critical support team. Instead of mentioning the team members individually in the team conversations like this, you can simply mention their team so everyone will receive the same notification. The teams make it easier for a Sprout user to mention a group of users within team conversation to ensure messages and their notifications are received by everyone concerned for replies and triage. Let's scroll down to see the roles. Roles enables admins to easily apply a permission template to multiple users. Imagine you'll be adding 5 users to Sprout. Without roles, you would need to apply their permissions one by one. But by creating a role ahead of time, you can save a lot of time deciding on what permissions you want to grant your users based on their functions. I have here an example for customer support, and I have the permission set up in a way that they can only reply to messages here on all of the profiles we have connected to Sprout. So, in a nutshell, Groups is a collection of your social profiles, Teams is a collection of your users, and Roles is a collection of your permissions. I hope that helps shed some light on these 3 Sprout settings. Hope to catch you in the next video. Bye!